Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner from Austin here, and today I'm gonna be ranting on Satan. Enjoy the video. Satan? What? More like say Kiko. Oh my gosh. Satan is the worst. Do you know why? Because Satan is such a liar. And Satan is evil and scary. So do you know who hates Satan? Me and my family. We all hate Satan in the super flaming burning passion. So Satan sucks. And so does Adolf Hitler. God and Jesus are so many times better than Satan. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me, on my channel.